What you are about to see is dangerous. Do not attempt to copy any actions at risk to your own health.
Right, so we're just seeing this on our travels, so we're going to go and do that. So don't forget to like, subscribe, all that lovely stuff. It's free, you know. And then after, we're going to do that factory. But for now, let's get in here. So let's scout it out, see how we get in. What even is it? Ooh.
Which is a furnace. That's the cementation furnace.
Yeah. Right, so we'll see you on the other side. Right, so wherever. Oh, it goes down. Ooh. Wow, it does go quite far down. So we'll look for way in. Welcome to the land of Sheffield. I wonder what they were. Big huge bolts sticking on the outside. Oh, this pink stuff. Horrible.
Yes, it's very good.
Is there a way in?
Ish.
Ish.
You mean it's going through all that?
Yeah, come on then.
And it's not really a weight thing, it's the same as the other side.
Oh. We've got no bars, so get less restriction.
Oh, there is one.
Oh. Sure, there must be some way to get in to stock it up with coal or whatever they used to.
You mean dead bodies?
Yeah, well, they used some kind of fuel source, though, didn't they?
Black burners. Why is that called one?
So to get in and out.
See, that's where the bodies come from. And then massive drop down there. Can't exactly get into it.
Yeah.
Bodies get slid into the.
Just makes you wonder how they what they use as a fuel source.
Eh?
Just makes you wonder what they used as a fuel source.
Fuel source, yeah, coal.
Yeah, but
They come down underneath.
yeah, but how do they clean it? Oh, you don't know. Yeah. So oh. It goes under our feet. Look. Underneath, look. There's a passageway underneath.
I'm not finding out there, stop that.
ladders in the car, but we've climbed over now. Yeah, it's underground passage. Next time we're going, we'll have to bring ladders. Well, the ladders are in the car, we just can't bother to go and get them because we have to climb back over again. You saw how awkward it was.
I mean, that was alright.
So now, we're going to get into
That place.
all of that if we can. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe and share with all your friends and give us a thumbs up. Thank you.